I've been exploring the Ingo Money app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Ingo Money app. The Ingo Money app is a fast, convenient solution for cashing checks right from your smartphone, eliminating the need to visit a bank or check cashing store. With Ingo, you can cash almost any type of check, including payroll, business, and personal checks, anytime and anywhere. The process is simple. Just create a profile in the app, link your bank account, prepaid card, PayPal, or even credit cards, then take photos of the front and back of your check and submit them for review. Once your check is approved, you can choose where you want your funds to go, directly to your bank or prepaid card, PayPal account, or even to pay credit card bills. You can also split a check and send money to multiple accounts if needed. The review process typically takes just a few minutes, and if you opt for instant funding, your money is available within minutes for a fee. Alternatively, you can choose a no-fee option and receive your funds in about 10 days. A key advantage of Ingo Money is the guarantee. Once your check is approved and funded, the money is yours to spend, no deposit holds, no takebacks, and no worries about bounced checks. The app is highly rated for its ease of use and flexibility, supporting a wide range of check types and payout options. However, fees apply for expedited service, and all checks are subject to approval. If you want a reliable way to cash checks quickly and securely without standing in line or waiting days for funds to clear, Ingo Money is a strong choice for mobile check cashing. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.